Presenting DLAB Foldable Bicycle Manufacturing. Introducing DLAB 20-inch foldable bicycle with 7-speed Shimano gears. The first stage in production of DLAB foldable bicycles after design is the delivery of raw materials to our factory. Our key component of the raw material list is the Shimano gear, which is of high quality and precision. Other key components include custom-drawn steel and aluminium tubing. All our frames are specialist parts, made by DLAB partner factory from scratch. Our aluminium tubing is cut and molded into shape using specially developed techniques: welding, heating, cooling, and hydrofoaming. The bike is then ready for the rest of its fixtures to be attached, slotted on and secured. DLAB, your choice for manufacturing.